Hi friends, welcome to S&T Innovation. Today in this video I will show you how to make a powerful power bench device. In my last videos also I have shown you how to make it, but this time I am making this unit with the help of DC to DC buck converter. That is, this type of circuit can able to withstand high amps and also have short circuit protection. And if you want to make this type of bench power device, you can make it, or else you can able to purchase it from different types of website, which will cost you around more than 7,000 rupees. So I will recommend better you go for making your own device rather than purchasing it. Let's see how I have made it. Another thing, I cannot able to show you the entire video because it will be a very big video. So it is better I will give you the circuit drawing and I will show you the performance of the product and how I can able to make it. So let's start the project. And let first see the circuit drawing. It is very easy. Here is AC 220 volt input. Here is the transformer 12 5 amps or 10 amps. I have provided a bridge rectifier, a polar capacitor of 2200 microfarad. Here is the 300 watt 10 amps DC DC step down buck converter. Here is the input and here is the output. There will be two potentiometer. You have to replace it with a bigger type. So I have replaced the two small one with bigger one, and its value is 10k kilo ohms. One will be used for voltage control, another will be used for current control. Another thing, the output will be through a voltmeter and ammeter digital, and you have to power it with the help of 12 volt power supply. You can use a different type of small power supply for this one. I will show you in my product. So you can see it here. I have provided a 12 volt external power supply for fan and the voltmeter, and the yellow wire of the voltmeter will be connected with the positive supply, and the black one, that is the negative one, will come here, and the red one will go out as negative supply. So the basic requirement of the material is 12 transformer, bridge rectifier, DC DC buck converter, polar capacitor, voltmeter, ammeter, 12 volt power supply kit. It will cost you around 25 to 30 rupees only, and 12 volt DC fan. So let's see how I have made it. So friend, here is the main unit, that is the transformer, 12012 transformer. Here is the fan unit. As I have stated earlier, I have provided an external 12 volt power supply which is connected directly to AC to power this meter and this fan. So here is the main buck converter. You can see it here that the potentiometer installed in these two locations are being modified to bigger size potentiometer and is connected with this bigger size potentiometer. You can see it here. This two wire is going and is connected with the previous potentiometer point. So you have to replace it and make it like this way. So here is the input and output. Yellow and black cable is for input, and you can input about 40 volt, and external output is 1.25 volt to 35 volt. So after transformer comes the rectifier unit. Rectifier unit is nothing, only a bridge rectifier and a capacitor. And you can see the build part is almost completed, and I have installed all the equipment inside the SMPS box. You can see it here. So let's check it. You can see I can able to control the voltage. maximum 37.4 voltage can be applied, and minimum you can see I can apply about 1.25 voltage. So friend, I am applying 12 volt to this halogen, and I will check it will glow or not. You can see it is glowing, and it is approximate drawing 3 amps. You can see it here. So with the help of this type of equipment, you can able to charge lithium battery also of any type, and you can use as bench power supply. So let's see inside it. I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you. Help me to increase my subscriber.